paghinga. Yung masarap lang, relax ka lang.
Makikisa ba ito?
Hindi ka pwedeng tigas-tigas ka.
Hindi pwede ko kontahin.
Ayan. Why you did that?
Ang dami! Tapos, relax lang, relax. Relax lang.
Do you like jumping?
Di ba sis?
It's a funny name. But it's called Bushlet.
Okay. Ganyan, tama na sis.
No, only tita. You can watch it.
Diba?
It's okay, it's okay.
Kapag hinayaan.
Also,
Pero ano yan?
Para hindi ka na natatapilok.
Ayun. Yan. I-check ko ulit.
don't worry.
Pero kung daddy niya umiyak.
Sabi mo,
Tupe mo sis. Ayun.